Yeast infection remedies. If you've ever suffered from a yeast infection, you want to get rid of it as soon as possible. When you don't want to use medication from the doctor, there are many home remedies you can try to cure your yeast infection. Try probiotics. These are microorganisms that are already in the vagina and intestinal tract, and they are known as friendly bacteria. They are referred to as friendly because they help regulate the growth of yeast-causing bacteria. The main one that is used to treat yeast infection is lactobacillus, since it can successfully stop the growth of candida albicans or yeast in the body. Avoid wetness. Try to always keep the vaginal area clean and dry, as yeast love places that are warm and moist. Wear loose clothing. Stay away from panties, jeans or pantyhose that are tight in the vaginal area. Make sure you buy clothing that is breathable and never stay in a wet swimsuit. Eat garlic. Garlic is ripe with antifungal properties, and eating 2 cloves a day can be a great way to stave off yeast infection. Douche with vinegar. When you first notice symptoms, try a yogurt or vinegar douche. Mix 3 tablespoons of white vinegar with 1 quart of water. Drink cranberry juice. Drinking cranberry juice that is not sweetened can help fight off yeast. Yogurt. The active cultures that are found in yogurt are terrific for yeast infections, since they help to balance out the pH of the vagina. It can be eaten plain, inserted into the vagina, or plastered onto an affected area. Be sure that if you use it as a douche or paste, you use only plain yogurt. Try tabs of yogurt. If you don't like the taste of yogurt, you can purchase lactobacillus tablets and insert them once or twice a day into the vagina. When used along with a vinegar douche, it often cures the infection fast. Rosemary. You can make rosemary into a tea and then dab it onto any areas that are burning or itching. Try over-the-counter creams. You can get creams like Monostat and others at your local grocery store, and they work well at knocking out a yeast infection. Just be sure that you follow the directions on the package and complete the entire course of treatment, or the infection could come back with a vengeance. While there are many remedies for yeast infection that you can do at home, if you suffer from persistent yeast infections or notice that the infections seem to be getting worse, you should consult with your doctor, as you may need to be on a special treatment. A doctor should be consulted if you have abdominal pain that is severe, discharge that is bloody in between periods, or discharge that appears grey, yellow, green or foamy, as these could be signs of another type of infection. Also, if you are not sure if what you have is a yeast infection, you should see your doctor for a diagnosis. For more information on how to cure yeast infection, click on the link below this video.